All right, this is the service elevator by JCPenney at King of Prussia Mall. Anybody coming for the ride?
Sure.
It's got a tube. These are napped over plastic fixtures. Yeah, this thing does run pretty well.
I started filming things, but it still counts.
You've probably filmed this before anyway.
Plenty of times.
See, filming some new people for a change. Happy 2025, probably. So what, we think this is a 10,000 pound capacity. And well, we think this dates back to like JCPenney.
Yeah, because JCPenney was in this space till '92. Then they closed and took over where Gimbals and Stearns was. So this was modeled around the same time as when the other services were installed.
Yeah, we don't really know.
Nothing's confirmed.
Yeah, we don't really know who made this. It's probably like MEI or something. Yeah, it's generic is what it is. Really not too bad though. That's it.